right, welcome back. We're going to do another box break today. 2018 certified Nascar. Haven't opened this before, but looking forward to getting some different items. Looks like we have 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia per box. So let's rip. Per box, 5 cards per pack. There we go. I'm going to use this. Let's prop everything up. All right, here we go. Haven't done a ton of NASCAR, but recently got into some National Treasures breaks that were pretty nice. So thought I'd pick one of these up. All right, so base, then we have Chase Elliott, gold, number 6 of 25. Very nice. Ryan Blaney to 99, blue. Base Jeff Burton, and base Joey Logano. Not a bad start so far. I like that gold. All right, Danica, base. Dale Earnhardt Jr., Immortals, silver. I don't think that's numbered. Nope. And then we have a red. Daniel Suarez, number to 149, Fresh Faces. And base, Kyle Larson, Clint Boyer. All right, just gonna keep the inserts over here, base there. All right, this one's a little thicker. I imagine we have something here, probably memorabilia. Certified's always a good product, no matter what sport you're. No, we have a filler. There we go. So, Amarola base, Dylan Lupton base, filler. Then we have Fresh Faces. This must be the rookies. To 199, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Then we have Harvick, Smithley. Those fillers, they trick you every time. All right, this one is not a filler, so we'll kind of get that to the bottom. All right, so first we have Michael Annett, base, Immortals red, Tony Stewart to, sorry about the lighting here. It's like 199. Immortals, Tony Stewart, base, Michael McDowell. We use this to reveal. We have Jimmy Johnson to 49. Oh, nice. Piece of the Race memorabilia. So that must, let's see what this is. This is, yeah, it just says race use material. That either looks like a piece of the clothing, piece of the interior, the car, one or the other, but nice card. Very nice. All right, so far so good on this. I do like this. It's very reasonable for a box if you're ever interested. Anywhere, any of your online retailers would have it. All right, Rusty Wallace Immortals, Cody Coughlin, base, another filler. And we have Danica Epics, base. I'm sorry, to 199, silver to 199. And then we have LaJoy and Truex, Martin Truex, base. All right. TJ Bell, Danica Patrick, horizontal. Then we have a blue to 99. Is that Colin Cabri? Yeah, I think it is. Very tough to read that, but to 99. Yep. And then we have base of Austin Cindric and Dakota Armstrong. Paul Menard base, Chase Elliott base. We have a Skills Alex Bowman insert, no number to 149. And then we have Tift, and then horizontal Jimmy Johnson. Appreciate you guys watching this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would appreciate it. And if you feel like giving it a like, go for it. Also interested to hear anyone's comments about this product or any other NASCAR products you've opened, or even F1. I'm always curious to hear what everyone thinks, so thank you. All right, we have Grant Enfinger base, Ryan Blaney horizontal base. We have blue fresh faces of Dakota Armstrong, number 299. And we have Darrell Waltrip Immortals, and Justin Allgaier base. All right, 3 more left. We should have still 2 autos to go and 1 memorabilia, so I think we saved the best 3 packs for last. All right, so here's, oh, maybe not. Austin Dillon, base. Ryan Newman, base. And we have a red of Jeffrey Earnhardt to 199. Still think they call them mirror reds. Brandon Jones and Timothy Peters. All right, maybe we don't. Only 1 pack left. Here we go. Looks like we were kind of, looks like we've been shorted a little bit, so I'm going to have to look into this. But should have had 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia cards, so I'm going to have to contact Panini, see what they can do. Probably nothing, right? Hemrick base, Bush base, Allmendinger base, and Priest base. And then finally, certified signatures. We have Aric Almirola. Not bad. Number 275, 57 of 75. So it's a dual memorabilia auto. And that is on card, just in case anyone's curious. That is on card. Nice piece. It's too bad we were shorted some hits. All right, so that does it. So thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. Put this up here for now. And subscribe, like if you can, and see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.